How to update Windows 11 drivers. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to update drivers in Windows 11. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here's step 1, that is to make sure Windows 11 is up to date. So first, it's always good idea to make sure that you are running the latest version of Windows 11. So to do that, simply click on the Start button, which can be seen in the bottom left side of your taskbar. And here from the pop-up menu, you simply have to click on Settings. And now here, once you have opened the settings, look at the left-hand sidebar and there you simply have to click on the option that says Windows Update, which can be seen at the bottom. And now here in this section, you simply have to click on check for updates. And you simply have to install anything if there is any update available. But here, as you can see, mine is up to date. So here for now, I'll close this one. And with that, step 2 is to open the device manager. Now, to update your drivers, you simply have to click on the search bar at the bottom, and there you simply have to type device manager and simply open it. And now, here, once you have opened the device manager, here it will show you every device connected to your PC. For example, if I want to update my Bluetooth drivers, then I will simply find Bluetooth and click the arrow to expand it, and then locate the device that I want. And after that, I can simply right click on it, and there I'm going to simply click on update drivers. Now here you'll be provided with two options. Now here you can either choose search automatically for drivers, and Windows will look update and install them if available. In my case, it found an update, which is great, but if no update is available, it will say no update available. So here you simply have to close it if your drivers is updated to the latest version. And with that, if you want to update the graphics drivers, then you simply have to open your PC particular GPU software. For my case, it's NVIDIA. So here I have opened the NVIDIA app. So here, once you have opened it, you simply have to click on drivers, which can be seen in the left hand sidebar. And now here, once you're inside the drivers, as you can see, there is new update available for the graphics driver. So here I simply have to click on download to update it to the latest version. And that's it. That's how you can update Windows 11 drivers. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.